Hey everyone, and welcome to another one of our videos. Today I'm coming to you from my iPhone because it has better autofocus capabilities than my DSLR, with another new vehicle introduction, my 2011 F150 Raptor. So I ended up picking this up from a friend for a pretty good deal. Truck was taken pretty darn well care of mechanically. Needs a little bit of cosmetic stuff, needs a little bit of personalization, touches and that sort of thing. Shocks rebuilt and headlights replaced and some detailing and whatnot, but picked it up as a kind of haul around vehicle, able to pick up stuff from Home Depot a little bit better and everything now. Has ADD bumpers, ADD side steps, ADD rear bumper. Pretty much everything inside is stock as can be. Like I said, needs a little bit of cleaning and everything, but overall it's in nice shape. Like I said, we'll be doing some upgrades, things here and there, so stay tuned for videos on this thing. Take care.